I-share ko sa inyo isang effective na exercise na tatamaan natin ang ating buong glutes or ang tatlong muscles natin sa ating glute muscles. Gagamit tayo ng cable. Kung wala kayong cable, pwede itong gawin ng hip band. So para mas tamaan natin ang ating buong muscles or ating glute muscles, so slightly bend forward and then kick back. 2, 3, hindi nalalagpas yung tuhod ninyo sa kabilang leg. And then squeeze your glutes at the top. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions ng 3 beses. And for our next exercise, slightly turn out ang inyong paa and then kick back. 1, this time straight lang yung paa. 2, dahan-dahan ibaba. And next naman natin para dito sa ating upper glutes sa bandang side. So nandito yung ating paa sa likuran ng front leg natin. And then lift your leg up slightly. This time naman hindi turn out. Papasok yung inyong paa. And thank you so much for watching. I'm Coach Elvie. I'll see you in my next one.